Hampshire Sheen, fanatical about finishing, 2-minute tutorial series. Professional matte sanding sealer. Step 1. Sand your work. We recommend 400 grit, but you can go finer if you wish to. Wipe away the dust between the grits. Step 2. Use methylated spirits, denatured alcohol to clean the grain as much as possible. You could also use compressed air. Step 3. If you wish to, add some colour to the piece. On this maple bowl we are using plum, ruby and midnight blue from the Intrinsic colour collection. Step 4. Denib the colours by using a paper towel to burnish the surface. Step 5. Shake your Pro Matte sealer can for at least 2 minutes before clearing the nozzle pointing away from the work. Step 6. With the lathe stationary, hold the can about 20 cm from the piece and begin to apply the sealer in an arcing motion. Cover just over a third of the piece on each pass, ensuring even coverage. Allow the sealer to dry between coats and apply as many coats as required to seal the wood properly. We like to see the sealer on the surface. Step 7. The piece is ready for a second coat when the first coat is dry. Drying time depends on ambient humidity and temperature. Different woods will require more or less sealer depending on porosity and your requirements. Remember that sealers will only seal surfaces, not fill grain. When you have finished, invert the can and spray for a couple of seconds to clear the nozzle. When dry, use a non-abrasive pad like the grey 3M Scotch Brite pad to denib the surface. Step 9. Wipe away the dust and your piece is now ready to receive your chosen finish.